Polytechnic. On behalf of the Department of Civil Engineering, I would like to welcome all the respected dignitaries, today's chief guest, Honorable Colonel B. Venkat Sir, Director, Faculty Development Cell, AICT, and guest of honor, Honorable Professor V.D. Vaidya Sir, Executive Secretary, IST, New Delhi, Honorable Executive Chairman of Shri Yashwantrao Bhosle Education Society, Mr. Achyut Sawant Bhosle Sir, Principal of YBP, Mr. G.A. Bhosle Sir, HOD of Civil Department, Mr. P.P. Sawant Sir, and all the participants to the valedictory function of our FDP on innovations in concrete technology. I would also like to welcome following resource persons because of whom it was possible to make our FDP successful. Dr. Sharvil Feroz, CEO, Infrastructure Risk Management. Dr. S.R. Bhagat, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University, Lonere. Dr. K.C. Taide, AGM, Maharashtra Metro Rail Project, Pune. Dr. Kishore Kulkarni, Scientist, AR&P Division, Roorkee. Dr. M.B. Kumtekar, Principal, Government College of Engineering, Karad. Mr. Sanjeev Raje, Chartered Engineer. Dr. Sharan Kumar Godar, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, College of Engineering, Pune. Dr. T.R. Mahajan, Head of Department, Civil Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Thane. Dr. Harish N., Assistant Professor, National Institute of Technology, Goa. Mohammad Riazur Rahman, Scientist, AR&P Division, Roorkee. Dr. S.V. Chaudhary, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Kandivali, Mumbai. Mr. Avdesh Upadhyay, Regional Head, Technical Services, Solapur Region, Ultratech Cement Limited. Mr. Mahesh Tendulkar, Director, CRES Private Limited, Goregaon East, Mumbai. Mr. Tejas Toro, Director, Lighthead LLP, Pune. Today, we have successfully completed all the sessions of our FDP. This was the first time our department organized an FDP. We are grateful to AICT and IST for giving us this opportunity. Now, let us have a look at some of the key moments of the past 6 days FDP. Today we have with us Honorable Professor V.D. Vaidya, Executive Secretary, IST, New Delhi, as our guest of honor. I would like to introduce him in brief. Professor Vijay D. Vaidya, born in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. He has obtained his B.Tech degree in civil engineering from Karnataka Regional Engineering College, Surathkal, Karnataka in 1981. Sir has worked in administration in DTE, Mumbai as assistant director. He worked as Deputy Secretary in MSBT Mumbai, which deals with the diploma education in Maharashtra. He is pioneer in designing G-Scheme curriculum for MSBT Mumbai. He developed online monitoring system of institutes for MSBT Mumbai. Sir is an executive council member of IST since 2012 and he is presently serving as executive secretary of IST and working hard for the development and progress of IST. I would like to request him to share his valuable thoughts with us.
Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Sri Achyut Bhosle, Chairman of this institute. Dr. Sri Gajanan Bhosle, Principal of this institute. Staff members of Civil Engineering Department, especially who took efforts to organize this program. Other faculties, HODs, and my dear participants. Really, it's a great pleasure that this institute has organized a very nice program on innovations in concrete technology. Because some of you may be knowing or may not be knowing, but this is a budding institute, and within a span of some 6 or 7 years, they got their programs accredited. So they are taking a lot of efforts for the development of institute, and as a result, based on their performance, they have been given this program by IICT IST for benefit of the faculty. So first of all, I congratulate this institute for getting their program selected in this scheme. And once the program is selected, other thing is, or the expectations from AICT and IST are that it should be a quality program. And to maintain the quality, it depends upon the resource person. And here we strictly instructed that the resource person should be from good institutes. They must have good background or knowledge in the concerned areas. And I feel proud that they have managed it properly and they have selected good professionals from industry as well as this academia. And as a result, the program was conducted in a quite nice manner, because some charts I have seen already while the program was going on, and they have appreciated the program. It means that we can say that it is a sample. So I think most of the participants, or even 100% participants, should have appreciated this. Now, basically, I am also from civil department or civil branch. So I feel proud that I am here for this valedictory function of this program on concrete technology. Since I passed out in 1981, and I was in technician education for last 33 or 30, you can say more than 35 years. But up to 2010, the syllabus or the curriculum was, you can say, about 95% the same as compared to the what I studied. Means what I studied in 1981, similar things, similar same knowledge was being given to the students up to, you can say that up to 2000 or 2010. But after that, due to technology development, the technology is changing so fast, and as a result, with this, the things are changing so fast. That is, the innovations which have taken place for last 500 within last 500 years, they are taking place within 50 years. The innovations which have taken place in 50 years, they are taking place in 5 years, and the innovations that are taking place in 5 years, that are taking place in 5 months or 5 weeks, you can say like that. So everything is changing, and simultaneously there are a lot of changes that are taking place in civil engineering also. Now, when when our passed out student goes into the market, it is expected that he should get good job. But when he goes into the market, he finds a lot of difference between what he has learned and what is being adopted, or the technologies that are adopted in the field. And the reason behind that is we are not teaching them the latest technologies or the latest developments or the trends which industry is following. So it is very essential that our students whom we are preparing must be ready to face the new challenges. Now the question comes, if we say that the student should be ready for facing new challenges, the thing is that students should be guided in that direction. And when you say that faculty, it is a duty of a faculty to guide the students, basic requirement is that the faculty should be trained in that area. Now, unless and until faculty doesn't have proper knowledge of these new trends, how they can communicate it to the students? And for this reason, AICT and IST have come together to do lot of things in this area. Now, this is one of the type of work we are doing, and especially I want to mention about the Colonel Venkat sir, who is a director FDP from AICT, and he is having very much appreciation for the teachers and regard respect about the teachers, and with that zeal, he is doing lot of activities for the betterment of faculties as well as for the students. And we are proud that we are associated with him in this venture. Really, he's a gem of person. He's source of motivation. You can say source of motivation for IST. Means I, whenever I go to him or whenever we meet, when if I say that sir, there are some issues or some things that are to be cleared, immediately, since he is from military background, whatever doubts, whatever queries are there, just within discussion he clarifies immediately. And sometimes if you say, okay sir, just I'll give you the mail in this regard, and immediately in front of us also he will type the mail and he will deliver the issue, means he will clear the issue. So such a fast working and positive approach and high regards for the teachers. So really that helped us to organize such type of different programs all over India. And the same type of programs are going to come in the next time, that is since from April to 2021, and that notification was already there, and we have received overwhelming response for those programs. Now the scrutiny will be done, and finally we'll select the programs for next year. So that with the help of AICT, we are doing a lot of activities for the betterment of teachers, betterment of students. Similarly, at IST level also, we are doing lot of activities. So which include that now, since it is a civil program, all the participants are basically from civil engineering. So just I will mention the name of that program. That is BNY Melon program, and that is specially for training in emerging areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and cyber security, etc. So those of your friends who are interested in this, they can visit our website and they will get the detailed information. Another thing what we have signed is, just recently we have signed a MOU with one organization for Center of Excellence. Under this scheme, we have that organization has associated with 6 7 multinational companies, and under CSR activity, they are going to help institute for training of faculties as well as for the uh, uh, training, as well as they are distributing some softwares to the institute. So the institutes who are interested in this area, they can contact us, or they can contact me or our office or our website, and they can register their names. It is planned that we are going to organize one online meeting of the interested principals and faculties with the concerned agency, and where all the doubts or everything will be cleared and every concept will be explained, and those who are interested, they can go for this type of this association with this. In addition to that, we are doing a lot of activities. First of all, I would like to appeal all the participants that those who are not member of IST, please do become a member of IST. Once you become a member, it is a one-time fee which you have to pay, but the lifetime you will be enjoying the benefits of IST. There are various lot of benefits, like you can attend national and international conferences organized by IST. Then you can attend, every year we conduct national convention for faculties, national convention for students. So you can have an opportunity to attend that. In addition, every year we give number of awards, and you can apply for the awards. And if you are found suitable, definitely you will be awarded, and that too in the national convention. So various benefits are there. Recently, we have constructed one big building in our campus for about 20,000 square foot, and there we have made a provision for accommodation. So those faculties who are coming to Delhi, they can get accommodation in that house, in our room building, if they wish. So there are a lot of other things are there. Another thing I want to tell you that when you have undergone this training, important thing is that whatever knowledge you have gained, that you have to pass on to your students. So what you can do is you have learned a lot of new technologies. Now there is change in curriculum is not in your hand, but to mold the students in a new way is in your hand. So while selecting the projects and other activities for the students, you can ensure that the students will undergo such good projects or the projects associated with this new technologies, and definitely that will help the students to do lot of things, or they to gain the confidence to face the challenges. Another important aspect what I appreciate in this that you have included the 3D printing of concrete. So that is the latest development, and that is have good prospects in future. And such a inclusion of the topic in this program, really it will help faculty to gain new knowledge. And with this knowledge, they have to go ahead for the betterment of the students. Another important aspect and another problem with us is that do you know what sort of jobs that are coming in our area after 10 years, after 15 years, after 20 years, after 50 years? We don't have any idea because now technology is changing at such a fast that there are. It is said that many jobs, say around 50% of the jobs will become obsolete within 10 years. So when such a number of jobs are going to become obsolete, what is going to happen? But at the same time, new jobs are going to come in new emerging areas. And now it is our duty to identify the areas where new jobs are going to come, and we have to make our student ready to face such jobs or to handle those jobs capably. So that is the basic requirement which we should develop. And for this, at the end, I request all the faculty members that when you are conducting your class for 1 hour, at least spare some 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes, to give information about the latest development technologies that are coming in the area. And definitely this will help your student to gain the latest knowledge, and it will help them to develop their future. So with this, once again, I appreciate this institute for organizing such a nice program in an emerging area, and I wish success for their different activities in future. And with this, I conclude my remarks. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views with us. Your presence is highly appreciated. We have received extremely positive feedback from our participants for all the sessions. I would like some of our participants to say a few words and share their experience about the FDP.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Satish Chandra Uzarkar, sir, are you there?
Yes, madam. But
Yes,
due
sir.
to network issue, I am
Okay.
going to keep my video off. Is it okay,
Okay,
madam?
okay, sir, no problem. Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Satish Chandra Uzharkar, Training and Placement Officer, as well as Selection Grade Lecturer in Applied Mechanics, KJ Somaiya Polytechnic, Mumbai. I am here to share my feedback about this 6 days online FDP. I would like to congratulate the principal, Sri Bhosle sir, head of Civil Engineering Department, and the coordinator of this program, Sri Sawant sir, co-coordinator Sri Manarikar sir, and all the members of organizing committee for successfully organizing this AICTE ISTE sponsored 6 days online refresher program on innovations in concrete technology in online mode. To give proper justice to the title of this refresher program, they have meticulously chosen varieties of latest topics as well as appropriate experts, so that all these sessions which were conducted, they were excellent, and all the experts presented their content in a nice manner. Moreover, almost all these sessions were conducted within the given time frame. I am sure all the participants must have immensely benefited and will definitely share this knowledge with their students as well as fellow colleagues, which will help everyone to grow professionally. Lastly, on behalf of myself as well as all the participants, I would like to thank Director FDP, Colonel B. Venkat sir of AICTE, Professor V.D. Vaidya sir, Executive Secretary IST New Delhi, as well as management of Yashwantrao Bhosle Polytechnic, Samantwadi, for providing us this opportunity to undergo such a wonderful refresher program. Definitely, we will look forward for many more such program in future from your Polytechnic, sir. Only one suggestion: if we could get Google Drive link of recording of all the sessions of this program, this will help us to go through it as and when required, because I think many of us may have had network issues during the program. Further, I will also take this opportunity to congratulate the management, principal, HODs, faculties, and staff of Yashwantrao Bhosle Polytechnic, Savantwadi for getting NBA accreditation for diploma programs in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering. It's a big achievement for such a young, budding polytechnic. I extend my best wishes to them to achieve many more such milestones in future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views. Thank you for your feedback.
Thanks, madam.
Yes, sir. Vivek Shetty, sir, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very nice session. Very thankful to all participants, also the guest speakers, and also given knowledge very well, very advanced techniques I have learned in this seminar, in this workshop. Okay, it is very useful to me and also my students also. I will send this knowledge to my students. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views. Digambar Shirsat, sir. Are you there? Digambar Shirsat, sir. DP Ladge, sir. Ladge, sir.
Yes.
Are you
Hello?
there? Yes, sir.
Yes, audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam.
Working as a lecturer at Government Polytechnic Miraj. I'm also working sir at Government Polytechnic Kolhapur. He is my best guider. Thank you, Ed, sir.
Shirsat, sir, just wait for 2 minutes. Shirsat, sir.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, continue. Ladge, sir, continue.
This is one of the best online short-term course organized by the Yashwantrao Bhosle Polytechnic, Savantwadi, on innovation in the concrete technology, approved by AICT and IST panel. I appreciate the committee member and our coordinator of this program and college management, particularly Bhosle sir, coordinator PP Sawant sir, and Manerikar sir, Sheikh madam, and Naik Navre sir, and Naik sir and Vaid sir. Professional and academician. The instructor and speaker are great and explain the content clearly. I have truly enjoyed the STDP. The way that he delivered is very simple and extremely useful for myself and my students also. All experts or speakers are highly learned and experienced, renowned person from the field. Extremely useful, all well-structured STDP. The video based on session are fully with example. that made the learning simple and interesting, and live session. Particularly, I will not take the all speakers' name, but at last that Tejas Toro sir has given in this COVID-19 environment how the stress is minimized by using our psychology that is very effective for in this COVID-19 environment. Thank you, Tejas sir, and I wish the organizer to organize such type of courses in future, and I'll give the best wishes for the same. Thank you, Sawan sir, once again. Thank you, Vaid sir. Thank you all coordinator and organizing team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for your feedback. Shizat, sir?
Yes, yes, I am there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Mr. Shirsat DK, Head of the Department, Padma Shri Dr. Vittal Rao Vikhe Patil Polytechnic, Loni. It is near Shirdi. So, once again, good afternoon, all. So, my fellow graduates, over the last 6 days, we are here at AICT IST sponsored induction program on innovation in concrete technology conducted by Civil Engineering Department, Yeshwantrao Bhosle Polytechnic, Savantwadi. We have learned a lot and we have learned a lot, and our expert taught us interesting tidbits about concrete technology, and all of this knowledge will no doubt be valuable as we go forward in our life. But what I think that the most important thing that we have learned in last 5 to 6 days in latest trend in concrete technology, which are changing very widely nowadays. Dear friends, I conclude my saying that nothing we accomplish is done alone. Rather, we need each other for support and coaching. I would like to thank Mr. Prasad Sawant and his team of Yeshwantrao Bhosle Polytechnic from Civil Engineering Department for arranging such an effective and knowledgeable faculty development program. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your feedback. Anyone else from the participants want to speak? Okay. We had reached out to some of the elite research faculties and industry experts as our resource persons for the FDP. I would like some of the resource persons to share their experience of their conducted sessions. Bhagat sir? Hemant sir? Hemant sir, are you there? Rajesh sir? It was a great learning experience for all of us. We are grateful to all the resource persons and the participants for their cooperation and active participation. I assure you all, in the next phases, we will work with same enthusiasm and keep ourselves readily available for organizing such programs in the future. Now, I would like to request our principal, Mr. G. A. Bosle, sir, to say a few words.
Okay, thank you, madam. Very good afternoon. I take this opportunity to thank Honorable Colonel B. Venkat sir, Director FDC AICT, and Dr. Pratap Singh Kakaso Desai sir, President IST New Delhi, and Honorable Professor V.D. Vaidya sir, Executive Secretary IST, for giving us an opportunity to organize such faculty development program. I especially thanks Honorable Achyut Bosle sir, Executive Chairman Bosle Knowledge City, and all management members for their constant support and encouragement to organize such a wonderful event. I heartily thanks all the resource persons for spare their valuable time. There were many recent topics covered during this faculty development program, and the resource persons did an outstanding job sharing their expertise with you. I also thanks all the participants who made this event a grand success by participating wholeheartedly. I wish all the participants excellent in the innovation in concrete technology and hope that all of you utilize this knowledge to your students and the society. I sincerely congratulate Mr. Prasad Sawan, HOD of Civil Department, and his entire team for successfully conducting this 1 week online faculty development program on innovations in concrete technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for always motivating and guiding us. Now, I would like to request Program Coordinator, Mr. P.P. Sawant, sir, HOD of the Department of Civil Engineering, to express our gratitude by giving vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all. It's my privilege I have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. The Department of Civil Engineering organized the event. IST sponsored 6 days online induction and refresher program. We got great response from various engineering and polytechnic colleges, not only Maharashtra, but all over India. Now, we come to the end of this program. Prior to winding up, a few words of announcement and thanks to all of you. I wish to express sincere thanks to management of Sri Yashwantrao Bhosle Education Society, to all always encouraging and organizing such event. I would like to thank Honorable Colonel B. Venkat sir, Director FDC AICT, Honorable Dr. Pratap Singh Desai sir, President IST. I extend heartily vote of thanks to the great honor who are spare time in a busy schedule to great the occasion. Honorable Professor V.D. Vaidya sir, Executive Secretary IST, for granting permission this FDP and gracing this occasion. My sincere thanks, Honorable Sri Achyut Sawan Bosle sir, Executive Chairman of Sri Yashwantrao Bosle Education Society, Sri Sanjeev Desai sir, Secretary of SYBES, and all management team for valuable guidance. Principal G. A. Bosle sir, to motivating us organizing this event. This event without success, the participant and resource person. I would like to thank all the participants and their head of institutes, HODs, and the staff. I especially thanks the people who have been backbone of the event, technically arrangement team and non-technical team also. I express my sincere thanks to one and all who are directly and indirectly who are involved in making this program a successful. The last but not least, the entire Department of Civil Engineering staff, thank you once again. And with the permission of dignitaries, I conclude the valedictory function. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for motivating and guiding us. There is one instruction for all the participants. The online test link and program feedback will be shared on our WhatsApp group of FDP. Thank you, one and all.